beautiful people. So, today I'm doing a simple bruise tutorial on my friend Trinity. Now, bear with me, it's my first makeup tutorial, so it's gonna be a little rough. Alright, so I'm using an e.l.f. brush, as you can see. I'm not sure what brush it is, but your girl cheap, and so she's using that good e.l.f. And then I'm using the Ben Nye bruise wheel, and we're using the yellow color first. You can't see it very well just because it's an old bruise wheel and I've used up a lot of the product in it. But I highly recommend this because I've used it for many of my makeup looks before and it always seems to work at like the highest quality.
Ponder of something terrifying, because this time there's no sound to hide behind. To find over the course of our human existence, one thing consists of consistence, and it's that we're all...
Alrighty, and now that we're done with the yellow, we're going to go back in with the red color on the Ben Nye bruise wheel. I have a love-hate relationship with this shade of red. Yeah, I'm just showing you that it's the bruise wheel. But I have a love-hate relationship with the red, just because it is brighter in some instances and darker in some other instances. And so I don't know how I feel about it, and so I don't use a whole lot, and when I do use it, I try to blend it out as much as I can. So I'm just going in with the red, and I'm highlighting the areas that would be bruised, and then I'm going in now with another e.l.f. brush, because your girl is cheap, and I'm going in with a shade of purple, and I'm shading underneath her eyes and in the spots where it would be darker on the bruises. And I'm just going in very lightly, tapping it very lightly with the brush and then blending it out as much as I can to where it still looks natural-esque. I don't know how natural a bruise like this would be. You would have to get beat up pretty bad. But now I'm going back in with the smaller brush and I'm using the darkest blue shade. And I'm just darkening those areas where there would be a lot more bruising and a lot more discoloration. I don't know what that was. But I'm not using a lot, just a little bit, just darken those areas. And I'm going in on the other side because obviously she would have dark circles from all this bruise and painfulness. And then I'm going back in with the bigger e.l.f. brush and I'm lightly dabbing on some darker blue, just to make sure that those areas that are bruised are really shown. And just blending that ish out, making sure it all looks put together. And then I'm adding a little bit on her mouth, just for a little bit more discoloration and effect for the bruising process. Then I'm going back in with the yellow and just trying to blend out all the areas that I didn't like, so the areas that had too much dark blue or too much purple. And this is the finished product. Very simple, very easy to do, and so have fun!